shining over mountains and the sea. Families walking home again in perfect harmony. We remember baby Jesus, born on this holy day. With love inside our hearts, we celebrate and pray. Children laughing by the shoreline, breeze so soft and sweet. Aunties cooking Christmas feast where all the families meet. Uncles bringing baskets, cousins calling out your name. This island fills with love again, every heart the same. Christmas on Pohnpei, we stand as one family, sharing food and Christmas gifts, living in harmony. We hug, we smile, forgiveness lights the way. Merry Christmas to my island. Merry Christmas, Pohnpei. Even when the year was heavy and troubles came our way, tonight we come together on this peaceful Christmas day. No one left behind here, every soul is seen, because love is the power that keeps our island clean. The windy island breezes whisper through the palms, telling us that hope is real and love will keep us strong. When Sacco Bowl is turning, peace begins to grow. On this island we call home, love will always flow. Christmas on Pohnpei, we stand as one family, sharing food and Christmas gifts, living in harmony. We hug, we smile, forgiveness lights the way. Merry Christmas to my island. Merry Christmas, Pohnpei. Some came with sadness, some came with pain, but tonight my